India's Got Latent controversy has deepened as in the latest development, the Guwahati police has reached Alabadia's Mumbai residence this morning after an FIR has been lodged over his offensive remarks on this particular YouTube show. In fact, earlier, Mumbai police visited podcaster Ranveer Alabadia's residence on Tuesday. Besides Ranveer Alabadia, comedian Samay Raina, influencer Apurva Makhija and show's organizers are also facing a huge legal trouble. In fact, in another development, the police have already recorded Apurva Makhija's statement at Mumbai's Car police station. Meanwhile, the Maharashtra Cyber Department has also filed an FIR against them for allegedly broadcasting obscene content on the YouTube show. Ranveer Alabadia, widely known as Beer Biceps, is facing multiple legal complaints, including one filed by Guwahati police. Amid the growing backlash, social media users and film industry figures have demanded a legal action against the show's creators. In fact, the All India Cine Workers Association has condemned the show, calling it quote-unquote disrespectful to the societal and family values, and urged the industry to sever ties with those involved in it. Meanwhile, Ashish Chanchlani's lawyer was also seen at Mumbai's Car police station, which has jurisdiction over the show's studio. In response to this outrage, Ranveer Alabadia has already issued a public apology admitting that his comment was quote-unquote not just inappropriate but also lacked humor.
Something which is, cannot be put out in the media. बिल्कुल. I would refer myself.
आपके client कौन है? किसको
Ashish Chanchlani. Something which is, cannot be put out in the media.
बिल्कुल.
I would refer myself.
आपके client कौन है? किसको
Ashish Chanchlani. Something which is, cannot be put out in the media.
बिल्कुल.
I would refer myself.
आपके client कौन है? किसको
Ashish Chanchlani.
Now, the controversy has reignited discussions regarding regulation of the digital content. A parliamentary panel on communications and IT led by the BJP MP Nishikant Dubey is set to discuss this particular issue on Feb 13th. Shiv Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi also stressed the need for stricter laws to prevent quote-unquote vulgar and blasphemous content from being passed off as comedy, citing its influence on the younger audience. Previously also, members of the committee had called for strengthening media laws, including expanding the Press Council of India's jurisdiction to cover news portals and the OTT platforms.
देखिए, मैं मानती हूँ कि अगर फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच हमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने दिया है, उसके साथ साथ सावधानियां भी दी हैं, जिम्मेदारियां भी दी हैं। आप एक प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम पे कॉमेडी के नाम से, कॉमेडी के आड़ में आप जो भाषा का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं, जिस तरीके का आप कंटेंट बनाकर पास ऑफ कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे आप पूरे एक युवा वर्ग में के फीलिंग देते हैं जब कोई देखता है कि ये लैंग्वेज इज नॉर्मल, स्पीकिंग अबाउट योर पेरेंट्स एंड पेरेंट्स इंटीमेसी इज नॉर्मल, it is absolutely normal to cross the line of being a child and a parent. I think वो कहीं ना कहीं बाउंड्रीज होना जरूरी है, रिमाइंड करना जरूरी है। और जो कम्युनिटी गाइडलाइंस आती हैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म में, यूजुअली द कम्युनिटी गाइडलाइंस आर फॉलोड बाय व्हाट वेयर दे आर रजिस्टर्ड, तो वो भी कम्युनिटी गाइडलाइंस कीपिंग इन माइंड द सेंसिटिविटी एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोरालिटी दैट इज देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, ये करनी पड़ेगी। मैं ये तो IT कमेटी में मैं इस मुद्दे को उठाने ही वाली हूँ।